My name is Ivana. My name is Nina.
My name is Eva.
We go to 7th grade. We live in Jasenovac.
We go to school, Osnovna škola Jasenovac in Jasenovac, Croatia.
Here is our village, and it is in the middle of Croatia that borders with Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Our flag it's red, white, and blue. It have a unique symbol, and it's pretty.
Our location is in Lonsko Polje Nature Park that stretches along the Sava River between Sisak and Jasenovac. Here is Lonsko Polje, and here is the map of Lonsko Polje. Our history. Jasenovac was first mentioned in written historical sources in 1334 in the canonical visitations of the Zagreb Archaeodices. In 16th century, Jasenovac becomes one in a series of border fortifications.
In 1995, UNESCO declared Krapje a village of architectural heritage. The houses do not have chimneys because in the time of Austro-Hungarian monarchy, taxes were paid for those with chimney, so the poor residents, in the order to avoid tax levies, conducted the chimney from the fireplace only to the attic where the meat product and river fish were dried. This is the house in Krapje.
On December 29, 2020, Sisak, Moslavina, our county, was hit by a devastating earthquake in 6.4 per Richter, in which our school suffered damage in buildings, and the building is being repaired at the moment.
This is our school after the earthquake, and this is Sisak. It's the town close to Jasenovac, and it is terrible.
Jasenovac, my dear village, Roman Catholic and Orthodox Church. The confluence of the Una and Sava rivers.
It's surrounded by the Lonsko Polje Nature Park.
Posavina is known as the home of numerous protected species. The most prominent are the stork, especially in the village of Čigoč, the white-tailed eagle, the black stork, the heron, and the little owl.
After a long absence, beavers have returned to the region, and others wild boar, roe deer, and rabbits are also present.
In the humid areas of Slavonia and Posavina, the adder Vipera belus is common, one of the rare venomous snakes in this lowland region.
Turopolje pig, another indigenous breed that is often raised on floodplain pastures and in the old forest.
Posavina horse, Croatian Posavina, an indigenous breed of cold-blooded horse, recognizable for its strong will and cold temperament, once indispensable in the agriculture.
Our school, Osnovna škola Jasenovac.
History of our school. The history of our school is long, and it began in 1750 with the opening of the so-called German school for the education of children of German officers in the military frontier. At the end of 18th century, there were two schools, Croatian and Serbian, which merged into one school in 1926. Croatia was part of Yugoslavia at that time.
The modern school building was complete in 1970, and classes have been held there ever since. From 1991 to 1996, it worked in exile because Jasenovac was occupied during the Homeland War from 1991 to 1995.
Today, our school has 104 students in 10 classrooms, from the 1st to the 8th grade, and are taught by 24 teachers and professional associates. We had the largest number of the students, 720 students in 1976.
We participate in numerous projects as partners to local and regional self-government units and
Various associations from all over Croatia.
Our diligent students in work education.
Composting. Lower grade students have a workshop on preparing and making raw materials for compost.
3rd grade. We have prepared bins made of old tires that we use to separate waste.
Outdoor activities. We grow flowers and herbs in the school garden. They are pollinated by bees and other insects. We observe the bugs' life.
Energy efficiency. How to save energy and thus be rational in using natural resources.
These are lower grade students on new bikes.
Nature observers. Lower grade students often spend time outdoors. They observe the plant and animal world that surrounds us.
Animals around us.
These are handmade decorations for our school.
We socialize with animals live and do travel. The students made bird feeders. They set them up in the winter and fill them with different seeds so that the birds had something to eat over the winter. The houses are built from waste. We recycle the material.
Feeder from old plastic bottles.
Animal motifs and handmade reusable bags.
Cleaning campaign of our school environment. Problems are environmental pollution, deforestation and loss of natural habitat for wildlife, jackals descending in villages and causing no damage to livestock farmers, invading plant species.
This is the end of our presentation. I hope you like it and I hope you understand us.